Okay, I'd like to take a look at this house. It's 850,000, 5 bedroom, 4 bath, little over 3,300 square feet, so a very large house. And it's located in Buckingham. So if we take a look at the map, here's Buckingham, and then if you'll see west there's downtown Fort Myers. You've got Fort Myers Beach, Iona. So yeah, just off to the right here is Buckingham, which is a really great up and coming area. A lot of people are moving to this area. You get a lot more bang for your buck, more land, more space. But yeah, this is Buckingham. Really great area. Definitely check it out if you're unfamiliar with this area. A lot of people are moving here, so very popular right now. So let's take a look at the house. So again, let's open the details so I can show you. Like I said, 5 bedroom, 4 bath, 2.55 acres. That's a lot of land to work with. So, if you like gardening or, just like your privacy and your space around the home to enjoy, this is great. So we've got, just like it says, gorgeous country estate home in Buckingham. It is beautiful. I'll show you some of the pictures here in just a second, but I just wanted to kind of pull up the details so you could see that. It has plenty of room for your RV and boat storage needs. It's zoned Ag 2 for animal enthusiasts. That's nice. So let's take a look at some of the photos. So look at that gorgeous porch. I mean, you could sit out there and just, drink your coffee in the morning, look out on your land. Really nice dining area. Wow, look at that gorgeous kitchen. Beautiful kitchen for anybody who likes to cook. That's awesome. Really nice appliances, stovetop. Love the oven hood. And then, it looks out onto your living room so you can watch the kids play or hang out, or, if you're watching the game and cooking, and you can talk and watch the TV from the kitchen. So that's really nice. Nice big pantry. Wow, that's awesome. I'd like to have a pantry like that. Really nice island. Like I said, great pictures of the living room. That's nice. So let's move on down here. So it looks like another little, room that they turned into like another sitting area. So that's great. There's your laundry. So yeah, 2-story, nice staircase leading up to the upstairs. There's your master. Like plenty of, I love the fireplace in the master. That's always really nice. Nice big master bath. So yeah, here's bedroom, additional bathroom. It looks like they made this into like a office / maybe a guest pull out, bed kind of thing for your guests. And then we're back down to the patio, and here's the backyard. So what a beautiful space to enjoy in the backyard. That's really, really nice. Little garden area with all the beautiful trees and landscape. And then it looks like they have a garage over here. So maybe additional space, looks like, for your guests and an in-law suite. Wow, what a bonus. I mean, $850,000 and you're getting all of that. That is really nice. I mean, it could be even a second income property. So, yeah, this property has a lot to offer for $850,000. You really are getting a lot with that additional building there. So yeah, just wow. Come and check this one out. If you're interested in this property, or maybe, it doesn't fit your criteria and you're looking for something else, that's fine. We can definitely, take a look at what your family's needs are and what your budget is. And, if you don't have a pre-approval, we can get you set up. No worries there. But, yeah, so if you'd like, book on our calendar directly on milliondollarfloridateam.com, or you can also call or text us 239-313-8975. If you have any questions at all, happy to answer. If you're just kind of learning about the area, looking to move down to Florida, we're happy to introduce you to some different areas that you might be interested in. So thank you so much, and we look forward to hearing from you.